A child stares at a word, sounds it out, and gets it wrong again. The way you respond in that moment can shape how they feel about reading for years. The Phonics Teaching Certificate at Online Training Academy is for teaching assistants, early childhood educators, tutors, and parents who want to understand how children actually learn to read and how to support them when it doesn't come easily. Across 12 modules, you'll cover the foundations of phonics education, how phonics lessons are structured and taught, jolly phonics methods, phonological awareness, and how to involve parents in a child's literacy journey. The course also covers systematic assessment, meeting individual learning needs, cognitive approaches to dyslexia, and phonics teaching for deaf children, giving you the tools to support every learner, not just some. Fully online with audio voiceover, self-paced, and accessible on your laptop, tablet, or phone. Once you complete the course, your e-certificate is issued immediately, and your hard copy certificate will be on its way to you. Bulk enrollment discounts are available for teams. The course is accredited by CPD. A child who learns to read with confidence carries that forward into everything else. This is where that confidence starts.